In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Home Depot's website efficiently using www.homedepot.com. This guide will walk you through some essential steps to make your shopping experience both seamless and enjoyable. First things first, to begin our journey, open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.homedepot.com. This will take you directly to the Home Depot's homepage. If you're looking to shop for home improvement supplies, appliances, or anything related to DIY projects, you're in the right place. The homepage is designed to offer you quick access to various categories, sales, and features that Home Depot provides. Explore the top navigation bar, which offers direct links to different sections like decor, tools, plumbing, and more, making it easier to find exactly what you need. Once you've browsed and found some items you're interested in purchasing, the next important step is to access your cart. To do this, simply look to the top right corner of the page and click on the cart icon. This option allows you to review all the items you've selected, ensuring they meet your needs and budget. It's always a good idea to double check your selections for the right quantities, sizes, or models before proceeding further. After clicking on the cart icon, you'll be taken to the cart page. Here you'll see a detailed list of the items you've added, along with prices and estimated totals. At this stage, it's an excellent opportunity to review the order summary. Confirm that everything looks correct and pay close attention to any special instructions or warranty options available for the products you're purchasing. This can be crucial, especially for more significant or complex purchases. If you're satisfied with your selections, take a moment to explore additional services Home Depot might offer, such as delivery, pickup options, or installation services. These can be found on the same page and are tailored to enhance your shopping experience by providing convenience and saving you time. Finally, when you're ready to check out, just click the appropriate button to proceed to the payment and shipping sections where you can finalize your purchase. Have your payment details handy and ensure your shipping address is accurate to avoid any delivery mishaps. Once everything is in order, submit your order and you're done. Navigating the Home Depot's website can open up a world of possibilities for your home projects and needs. Remember, the key is to take your time exploring all the options presented to make well-informed decisions. Thank you for following along today.